Alright, I'm going to show you guys what's going on with my 2000 Ford F-150. It's the V6 4.2. First, just want to confirm the battery's good. Got 12.98 volts on the battery, so the battery's not the problem. I already checked all the fuses in the engine compartment. And the fuses in the cabin, they're all good. Push the clutch in. Well, first of all, let's just move to ignition to position 1. Everything lights up, just as it should. Now I'm going to push the clutch in, the standard transmission. I'm going to push the clutch in, move the engine to, or move the ignition switch to whatever, position 3 ignition. And you're going to hear a click, and then all the lights are going to go out. Booyah. Nothing. Now it's back in position 2, or position 1, sorry. Shut it off. Take the key out. Put the key in. Back to position 1. And no lights. No movement. The truck is completely dead. Move it to ignition. Nothing. No click. Nothing. So, I don't know enough about the electrical system of this truck, but hopefully one of you does. I don't know what's going on. Please help.